look at all of this. Value, mensa, menina ya crashes be blow. WhatsApp group ya menina also. Men ma attack and so. The barbering shop I will be a year. Now we are or la Jama Fusika position Yaman Kakra. Or it be a barbering shop. Blade the crown will be probably the moon you grow for. Such an idiot. Never be drawn up as a cassette president the Kufuado. Captain Smart, he program some days ago. Now, Jimmy Sam or Sister Obia would take Fubia. And just what did Dr. Baumia at the man and another at the man. Young Famra, I want to know very resign. I never knew that Captain Smart no be you be a medium because Tama all fear ye the defeat journal. Oba out to sound on our resign. Nothing on one customer, no much to delay in it. Ye the defeat journal. Oba cat on your medium. Yeah. No smart TV. Then I make all these angles. And the person who say, sadly, there's no pressure group on them. I want to can and EPO Jamie say. Those people, they are just angry. It's only the days are not ending the one as small. I want credit. No more is enough for my Biate. It's several Bemoshe. WhatsApp group for T. Susikaka come to G. What did you hear? No, but that's how you turn up street is separate. They go for the warrior gun in Nam. When you say it's a Kufuado and fixing the country. Now, so mobile Lydia Kogun saw any demonstration against the government that is working. Can maybe that any ever gun in now close to 30 years. At the pan on mobile my point. Minumia, Yanshan, a kind of correct. Yeah, no. Give a pan, a kind of for a bit my point is in a penny before. Apart from doing so. Apart from doing so, any IMF for multimedia course in dream, a step pan on my mind. Or my children are beginning to be doing so any IMF. Apart from that, the 10 pan edit my mind. Program that we see, man, now the boss, you would then edit you. Say, Bronze, but Bronze, once I'm a buyer, said Bronze never be shown for 4 years more. Set in Kofu, the Wilko Fu is here and to Abanombra. Said John Mahama, thank you, Tor, because when you say NDC party, said Binyan, need be any apart from Mono. It's in the campaign was starting. The best time about 2024. About so, yeah, you can't deny the Obama John Mahama knock out the NDC party after 2024 party. That's it. We will never rest. You never make sure that we get on the core position, on the top position, best 20 years. Because youth many with free assistance will be able to make with it and right. They can never take advantage of us again. Who John Mahama will time in a Ghana, a form of unemployed graduate association. And then John Mahama, which not thank you to us and say, I'll say, unemployment, that cost for 44 years. Wow. Papa, we can't Ghana for a short memory. That's it. That's soon. I refer to Mahama time and president on a graduate association for me. And good for the president, the good for Dr. Bomian, the British of Association. Yeah. Then to give us a break. No one and I think I can't Ghana show me, then they become the good way. And no. Kono Bimbra, Kono Bimbra, that's so much. I mean, another. You know, for what you see some. Ghana Mr. Parliament touched Ken because he said Erastus and his motherfucker multimedia and didn't want somewhere that guy needed to be beaten. Erastus needed to be beaten. Kanaka, waka. He never means words. And he's not afraid of any goddamn stupid journalist. A boy. Useless man, may I say. Missy and cross for if you are saying Yaniati, a boy, and it's not killing the sky of the boy here for you could play near and I'm a but if you are Sibuno and yes, I've been previous, call for one warm. He never to stretch. And Juma, can I point and come to smart? A boy, but maybe. Who almost saying I can't come to me yet. Oh, but I'm papa. The can't castle where no more offer, and I can get upon say, young Mui Rassus and young Kuno. Come to smart, Koshini. I'm doing a rally. More who pay can assembly now. Support Kenya Japan. Everyone who support can say this. If you love Ken, say it. Let people understand the mind of Ken. Ken is for Ghana. Captain Mark is for his stomach. I'm poor biba. And you messing around in Europe.
You duped women all in the name of buying an ambulance. You couldn't buy even a car tire. Damn it! Corruption. The first person to have been behind bars, Captain Smart, Abua. Kokumasi Dokoto said, Kokumasi, they know what they go to Kumasi. Go to Kumasi. Go to Kumasi, oh, Dokoto dead you, Kofi TV. Go to Kumasi. What Bodam Papa?